Abhishek Goenka, CEO India Forex, now joins us in our Mumbai studios to take us through all of those currencies. Abhishek, hi, welcome to the show. Let's start with the Indian rupee first. And we saw gains, 10-week highs on Friday. It's trading at a 1-week low at this point in time. How would you trade this one?
See, rupee, as we all know, that which actually moved the rupee very, very strong, despite dollar index getting very strong internationally, was simply the inflows. You know, we saw 10,000 crores worth of money, which has come in so fast, never seen before. And of course, the rising interest rates in case of India, which is very unlike as compared to the other economies of the world. You know, even to talk about US, maybe second quarter of next year, UK, maybe not this year, Australian dollar, maybe in September. UK, again, you know, maybe not this year. China is almost at the peak, but only India, you know, the inflation is so high, that still a couple of hikes are still expected. So I think what is actually driving rupee, which was actually driving rupee a little stronger, was simply high interest rates, high inflows. But at the same time, when we are seeing that now the markets are correcting, we are seeing dollar index breaking towards 76 and above. We are seeing euro breaking up towards 1.40 below, and now the expectations is simply building up that the riskier asset classes are going to sharply correct. So I think rupee again is going to get into the same trajectory of 44.80, 44.90, maybe 45.20. So as for the India Forex view, we still maintain that rupee is fundamentally weak. We might see some short-term strengths, but at the same time, weakness is still there in rupee.
You pointed out on euro breaching 1.40, which it has done quite successfully. Do you look at 1.35 now?
Very much likely. And Manisha, we have discussed that before also. You know, 1.35 is very much on the cards. And, you know, simply today we have got a confirmation after break of 1.41 levels. Now below 1.39, it went to 38.50 levels. So 35 is very much in the cards. And I think the other Asian economies will also correct, in the sense the currency like Singapore, Malaysian also start correcting. Australian already started correcting in the market. So I think bad news for the currencies, good news for dollar.
How about the dollar index, 7-week highs? Is it sustainable?
Very much. I think we have been talking about it in the last 6-7 shows, and we feel that dollar index is going to be quite strong in the second half of this year, mainly because the end of QE2, number one. Secondly, you know, one point we would like to focus here is that, you know, the last 1.5 years, we have seen levels of 80 in yen, you know, 80, 81, you know, that shows that money is still going in yen despite the fact that yen as an economy is not doing well. Money is going in CHF, which is again a safe haven currency. Money is going in gold, not in silver. So it simply shows that all the safe haven has not been able to correct in the last 1.5 years. That simply shows that the risk was never there in the market. Whenever the risk came, it was very much short term. Still, we feel that since all the safe haven assets and commodities are holding all-time highs, the CHF 0.83, amazing levels, you know, that simply shows that the risk aversion is still there. And if the risk aversion is still there, the money will start going into US dollar. So dollar index, we're heading towards 78, 79, maybe in a couple of months' time. That's our view of dollar index.
All right, Abhishek, we'll let you go at that. Thank you so much for taking time out for us. Bet on the dollar index is what's coming in from India Forex, and rupee might see some more declines. 45, 45.20 is the level coming again from India Forex for the near term. With that, it's up on this segment of Currency Call. Thank you for watching. Business Day is coming up next.